Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? Today, we're delving deeper into the QQQ. Our initial report was released on our website on February 23, 2024. Now, we're bringing you a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access AI capabilities for free price predictions and in-depth analyses of 25,000 companies worldwide. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 2.31. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who heeded our analysis would have experienced a noteworthy gain of 10.09% since we flagged QQQ as a buy candidate 34 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.3% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. A retracement towards the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the top trend line at $438.89 would indicate a more robust upward movement. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 12.83% change ahead, with potential returns ranging between 9.46% and 13.37%. In terms of the 12-month trend, a 36.52% change is expected over the next year, offering potential returns between 19.29% and 37.07%. This could lead to a price range of $521.05 to $598.69 by the end of the year. Our latest update for QQQ reveals that the QQQ ETF has been downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate following the recent trading session. The price of the QQQ ETF dropped by -0.294% on the last trading day, going from $438.07 to $436.78 on Friday, February 23, 2024. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.1%, reaching a low of $435.80 and a high of $440.59. While the price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by 0.92% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by -14 million shares on the last day, with a total of 39 million shares exchanged for approximately $17.06 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $440.59, while the lowest was $285.19. Currently, the price sits 0.86% below the 52-week high, at $3.81 less than the peak of $440.59, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Identified signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF shows positive buy signals from short and long-term moving averages, with the short-term average above the long-term average. Support levels are at $432.30 and $422.07, while a breakdown below these levels may trigger sell signals. Negative signals are also present, impacting short-term development. A recent sell signal from a pivot top on February 22, 2024, resulted in a -0.294% decrease with further decline expected. Additionally, a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is in effect. Volume decrease aligning with price drop reduces overall risk. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 77 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 64 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ has a support level at $428.55 based on accumulated volume, presenting a potential buying opportunity as it tends to react upwards when this support is tested. This ETF demonstrates controlled movements with low risk due to good liquidity. On the last trading day, QQQ had a price range of $4.79 or 1.1% movement, while the average daily volatility over the past week was 1.21%. Before discussing potential trading levels for QQQ, let's review some key fundamental data. First up, the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may indicate diminished future expectations for the company or an undervalued stock, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's explore potential day trading levels for QQQ. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ stands at $437.05. If you're not currently holding any shares, consider waiting for this level to break before entering a position. For existing stockholders, this level could be a target for swing trading. On the flip side, the initial support level for QQQ is at $428.55. Should this support level hold, it might present an attractive entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $419.52, representing a decrease of 3.95%. This ETF demonstrates minimal daily fluctuations, which translates to lower risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Our analysis indicates that there are positive short-term signals and a generally good trend for the QQQ ETF, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. However, due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Based on our assessment of volatility in recent movements, the current price is considered undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, February 26th, we anticipate QQQ to open up 94 cents and commence trading at $437.72. It's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the provided information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment actions. Presenting our current perspective on the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments. Tell us your ETF target. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and here's to successful trading. Wishing you a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.